Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to add music on Canva video. For that, go to your browser and search for Canva. Open the first link and log into the Canva if you haven't. Then hit on the create a design. For now I'm choosing a video. Then on the left side of your screen you can see a lot of options like design elements. In the down there you can see apps. Hit on the apps and scroll down, then select music. Here are a lot of musics, but to use some of the musics you need to buy premium Canva. So this is the way to add music on Canva video. You can simply select the music and add it to your video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe this channel.